Here. Here, let her go. Let her go.
No, no.
Let her go.
No, no.
Yes. Let her go. She can do it herself. Whoops. Problems is her pajamas, huh, girl? No, you're almost 8.5 months. You're pretty good at walking, huh? You gotta just learn how to turn it now. There you go.
Oh.
Is your brother in the way? Go run him over.